Have you ever feel stuck like there is something you want, but fear or self-doubt just holds you back? What if I told you that your subconscious mind already has the power to remove those blocks if you know how to guide it? Not magic, no luck. This is science-backed, mind-based transformation, and I have experienced it myself. I was reading this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and there is a story that blew me away. A man suffering from functional paralysis was told to visualize himself walking, touching his desk, answering the phone, living as if he were fully healed. He practiced this vivid mental imagery every day, fully immersing himself into the experience, even before his body caught up. And after a few weeks, the impossible happened. He could walk again. Here's the takeaway: it wasn't just luck or magic, it was focused attention plus repetitive vivid visualization, training his subconscious mind to accept a new reality. And and this principle isn't just about healing, it's about everything you want in your life. For example, you want to step out of your comfort zone, your mind can learn to handle it. You want to achieve financial abundance, big opportunity, or new experience. Your nervous system and subconscious mind can be trained to accept it. You want to improve your relationships or personal growth. You can rehearse the reality you want, feeling it as though it's already true. Think about it like this: when we suddenly face something we have never experienced, our brain hits the brakes with fear or doubt. If we train the subconscious mind with vivid, repeated mental pictures, those brakes loosen. Your nervous system learns what's possible, you gain courage, clarity, and confidence to act. I have done this myself, talking to my mind, my body, and creating clear mental pictures of the reality I wanted to step in. The results are profound, and still I'm on that journey. Literally, patterns shift, old fears dissolve, and new possibilities emerge. So, here's my challenge to you: pick one thing you want, something that feels just beyond your comfort zone. Close your eyes, imagine yourself living it vividly, in detail every single day. Feel it, experience it, act as if it's real. Your subconscious mind is listening, your nervous system is learning, and slowly but surely, your reality begins to align. The message here I want to share is heal, grow, achieve, step into your boldest life. All starts with training your mind to believe in the possibility before your body or reality catches up.